Universal Horror Unleashed is Universal's new year-round haunt attraction at the Area 15 Annex in Las Vegas. With kind of a gothic industrial vibe, it has 4 haunted houses inside this all-indoor attraction led by Universal Monsters. In the middle of the attraction area, a couple of big bar areas, starting with the Boiler right here. And you'll find not just a great place to hang out here, but also kind of your resting area in between the houses. The second house right next door here is Texas Chainsaw Massacre, a Halloween Horror Nights favorite, brought back to life here at Universal Horror Unleashed. Again, here's another look at the Boiler bar. First one that you see there. There's also places to eat, such as this barbecue restaurant right next to Texas Chainsaw Massacre. But be on the lookout because there are scare actors roaming through the building as well. We're now on our way to the third haunted house in this, which is Exorcist Believer, which is based on the 2023 Blumhouse flick. And sometimes those mannequins aren't so still as you might be led to believe. Walking past here, we're going to come up to Jack's stage. That's Jack, the former icon from Universal Orlando's Halloween Horror Nights. Jack and Chance are here. And then there's Jack's bar over there, Jack's Alley. It's the second main bar area. But this is Scarecrow the Reaping, an original IP concept. That's the fourth house here. All part of Universal Horror Unleashed in Las Vegas.